subject is math and the class is grade 1. Today our topic is long and short and tall and short objects. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, we will discuss about long and short objects. When we compare objects based on their length, we get long and short objects. Here we have some examples of tall and short objects. Let's come and solve. Look at these paint brushes. Are these of the same length? No. One paintbrush is long, whereas the other paintbrush is short. So, we can say that the red paintbrush is longer than the blue paintbrush, or the blue paintbrush is shorter than the red paintbrush. In next picture, here we have a hockey stick or a table tennis ball. Are these of the same length? No. We can see that the hockey stick is long, whereas the table tennis ball is short. So, we can say that the hockey stick is longer than the table tennis ball, or the table tennis ball is shorter than the hockey stick. In next picture, here we have a pencil and eraser. These are also not of the same size. The pencil is long, whereas the eraser is short. So, we can say that the pencil is longer than eraser, or an eraser is shorter than the pencil. Oh wow! Look at these creatures. The snake is long, whereas the caterpillar is short. So, we can say that the snake is longer than the caterpillar, or the caterpillar is shorter than the snake. Hopefully you have understood the concept of long and short objects. The next is tall and short objects. When we compare objects based on their heights, we get tall and short objects. In this picture, we can see tall and short objects. In this picture, this is a father and this is a son. Their heights are not equal. The father is tall than the son. So, we can say that the father is taller than the son, or the son is shorter than the father. In next picture, we have a giraffe and a monkey. As we can see that the giraffe is tall, whereas the monkey is short. So, we can say that the giraffe is taller than the monkey, or the monkey is shorter than the giraffe. Similarly, here is a cottage and a building. So students, can you tell me which one is tall and which one is short? Yes, very good. The building is tall, whereas the cottage is short. So, we can also say that the building is taller than the cottage, or the cottage is shorter than the building. That's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood today's lesson. Now students, here I have put some examples and you have to solve them. And after doing these examples, you have to attempt Countdowns book page number 13, 14 and 15 as your homework. Hope you all will do well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.